PBSP's mandate to unite businesses and uplift lives resonates then and now. Fiscal year 2024 to 2025 was no exception. We would like to share with you stories of people whose lives we've changed in the last fiscal year.
Noong unang pagbubuntis ko sa panganay ko, wala pa akong kaalam-alam. Marami pang tanong sa isip ko. Pupunta lang ako sa center, pero iba yung sa ngayon na nakasali ko sa mama program.
Maria is one of the 234 mothers being assisted in the masustansyang pagbubuntis ng Siglang Kamusmusan or MAMA program. She gave birth to a healthy baby boy in October of 2024.
Sa panganay ko, maraming kulang. Ngayon sa pangalawa ko, kumpleto. Kasi nabigyan din ako ng vitamin ng mama program. Buntis pa lang ako, meron akong vitamins. Sa RHU, papa-check up, papa-prenatal, tinuruan nila ako pagkain ng masustansyang pagkain. Hanggang sa nanganak ako, yun, tinuruan nila ako na mag-breastfeed. Tapos ang pag-breastfeed, pagpa-complementary feeding po akin po gini.
Since its pilot implementation, Mama recorded the successful delivery of 214 babies, which includes 2 pairs of twins. It continues to support 234 mothers and their babies to ensure proper nutrition and a healthy journey during the first 1,000 days of child development.
Unti-unti ko lang siyang pinapakain ng rice, mga meat, vegetables. Pero nagbre-breastfeeding pa rin po ako hanggang ngayon. Nakakapagsalita na siya ng papa-mama, tapos naglalaro-laro na din siya. Ngayon, kay 1-year-old nagwan na mahiyap, nagtututo na siya maglakad.
Through Mama, we help address developmental stunting and help secure every child's normal nutritional needs, which is crucial during their life's first 1,000 days.
Malaking bagay kasi marami akong natutunan. Simula ng pagbubuntis ko para maging malusog paglabas ng baby ko.
Dati po, kami po ay umiigib lang po sa bomba kasi wala po kami sariling tubig na pinagkukunan.
Bomba used to be the only source of water for many residents of Sitio Proper in Brooks Point, Palawan for 16 years.
Medyo mahirap din po minsan, lalo na pag medyo matigas po pag binumbahan mo siya. Iinom namin diretso yung tubig dyan na po galing sa bomba. Yung nagpapakulo kami, siyempre yung pangkape po.
Yung pangkape, siyempre.
Mahirap po sa pang-araw-araw yun. Kasi nauubos din po yung iniigib namin. Tiyaga na lang po para lang may makuhanan.
Thanks to Operation Patubig, in 2025, MDFI and PBSP completed the installation of the water system in Sitio Proper. This ended the 16-year struggle of Mira Concepcion's family for water.
Salamat, mayroon ng tubig na malapit. Magaan na yung para sa amin yung pag-iigib. Kaya yun ang ginawa namin. Nag-ano ng hose. Pagbaga ikakabit na lang namin dyan, tapos sahod na lang.
This initiative marked the 40th potable water system of MDFI under the Operation Patubig. The foundation also built a hand wash facility with comfort rooms for Malice Elementary School through the WASH project.
Malaking tulong po talaga. Napagaan po yung pag-iigib namin ng tubig. Buksan na lang namin yung gripo. May tubig na po kami. Pati sa yung gagamit ko sa pangluluto. Diyan na rin po ako kumukuha ng ginapang saing ko.
In the last 5 years, the C19RM provided essential medicines, medical equipment, and deployed mobile clinic vans to assist both COVID-19 response and TB care. To further its support to the country, C19 transitioned from immediate emergency response to a full-blown long-term health system strengthening.
Before, ang setup po ng Philippines is kapag meron tayong bacterial-related diseases, dito talaga sa RITM pinapadala yung mga samples. Ang mga naging problema namin is tumataas yung mga cases namin ng mga rejected samples.
In 2024, PBSP Access TB through the C19RM assisted the Research Institute for Tropical Medicine to conduct a series of training programs to enhance the country's national laboratory preparedness and outbreak response across the regions.
This is the first time that these regional laboratories were able to process bacterial testing through molecular diagnosis, such as the cases of pertussis na nangyari lang noong year 2024.
This initiative improved the capacity of regional laboratories to work hand-in-hand with the national research laboratories through a standard workflow in detecting and responding to outbreaks.
Ang kagandahan na nakapag-share kami sa kanila ng mga techniques namin or yung outbreak workflow namin, standardize yung mai-implement naming process, and we can work hand in hand in case na meron ulit mangyari na outbreak o kaya naman pandemics, na parang may representatives na din kami or may mga NRLs na din across the different regions of the country. So hindi lang kami yung marunong, at the same time may mga representatives kami doon na reliable and as well as trained professionals na makakasama natin sa pagsugpo ng mga different outbreak events sa Pilipinas.
Ang pagbabasa ay pagkatuto. Kasi kung marunong kang bumasa or ang bata ay marunong bumasa, madali siyang matututo, at kung matututo siya, madali siya makakasagot ng tama. Consideration siya for next grade level na dapat nakakabasa na siya. Word reader, reading with comprehension.
Melanie is one amongst the 98 teachers engaged and trained under the Literacy Enrichment, Training and Reading Assistance Program, PBSP's flagship program for education.
Classroom management as a teacher, yung challenges, yung technique, strategy na prepare mo, hindi siya minsan gumagana araw-araw. Kaya everyday dapat meron kang bagong strategy. Kasi ang mga batang yun ay iba-ibang culture, ibang-ibang pamilya ang nilakihan, iba-ibang magulang. Another one is yung support ng parent. Pinapaintindi ko sa nila, ang parent at teacher dapat magkakampi. Hindi yung naghahanapan kayo ng mali sa isa't isa.
LETRA conducted a 4-day training to enhance their teaching strategies and improve their engagement with parents and guardians as active partners in their children's path to literacy.
Na-realize ko po talaga nung dumating yung letra, I can do better talaga. Kaya ko palang magturo ng na-enjoy ko rin.
Ito ay collection ng
When I opened the Tuklas Basa Kit, na-appreciate ko na siguro habang ginagawa nila yun, naiisip nila kami na para hindi na kami mahirapan. Na-enjoy ko talaga siyang gamitin. Babasahin ko lang siya ng 10 minutes, tapos may instructional materials. Na ituturo ko siya with a happy face, yung merong kang energy. Yung sa mga bata ko po, nakikita ko po sa kanila na natututo po sila habang naglalaro po sila at nag-enjoy po sila.
With your support, we can reach more teachers and help nurture kids with deeper appreciation for reading and produce a generation of learners with improved foundational literacy skills.
Salamat na lang, pinagpala po kami na kami po ay napili, 15 of teachers in CA Elementary School.
In 2024, DAO, in partnership with PBSP, launched the Shoes Reused for Walkable Paths project. The initiative turns discarded shoe soles into rubberized flooring for sports facilities and playgrounds.
Nung una, hindi namin iisip kung paano ba nila gagawin, bakit ba kailangan namin mag-ipon ng sole ng rubber shoes. Ikalimitan naman pong ginagawa natin kapag sira na, itatapon na. Hanggat nakita na lang po namin na inilalatag na yung rubber ng playground, doon namin na-realize kung gaano ba kahalaga, bakit ba kailangang ipunin ang mga sole ng sapatos.
The project transformed a total of 710 square meters of safe and durable walkways, 100 square meters of which was built for La Huerta Bolilet Center Playground.
Napapangiti po kami kasi unang-una, wala kaming ilalabas na pondo, pero makikinabang po ang lahat ng mga batang naka-enroll sa aming daycare centers. Hindi lamang po ito para sa mga bata na nakapag-enroll sa ACCD program. Kapag wala na pong pasok ang mga batang nag-aaral, yung mga bata po na nasa labas o nasa paligid ng ating komunidad ay hinahayaan din naman pong maglaro.
The Shoes Reused for Walkable Paths project aligns with Dow's sustainability goals by reducing waste, promoting responsible recycling, and creating long-term positive impacts for both people and the environment.
Pangunahin po, layunin ng pagkakaroon ng playground ay upang maging masaya yung pag-aaral ng mga bata. Dahil nga po nakikita nila yung building, yung facility, higit lalo po yung playground, mas nainganyo po silang ipasok at pag-aralin ng kanilang mga anak.
From our child development teachers, maraming salamat po.
Nung una, meron akong tanim na kakao pero wala akong technology, kaya napabayaan.
Amadeo is one of the 1,416 cacao farmers assisted under the sustainable integration of Philippine smallholder farmers into the Global Cocoa Value Chain Project.
Malaking tulong sa akin bilang magsasaka na merong grupo na tinutulungan talaga nila yung mga farmers.
The project provided farmers with tools and equipment alongside training in cacao farms, management, and rehabilitation with integrated sessions on business development and financial management.
Dinala na kami doon sa Cacao Summit. Ang theme doon, Cacao is Gold. Doon nag-umpisa yung passion ko sa cacao. Pero sa ngayon, sir, consider ko cacao is diamond. More than gold pa ang cacao ngayon. Kasi napamahal ko na eh. Baliwala sa amin yung cacao eh. Cacao is nothing for me before. Pero nung nagkaroon na ako ng training, seminars, nakita ko yung drastic na improvement. Nasa 300% yung increase. From 10 kilos every 3 months or every 2 months. Eh ngayon, makukuha ka lang yan once a week. Andyan na. Pansin ko na halos every 2 weeks, mayroon kong binibinta na dried beans. So it means na nagkaroon ng increase yung production.
In the last 5 years, the project strengthened farmer organizations, created decent jobs, and other income-generating opportunities for their families and their communities.
Gratitude to PBSP. Kung hindi dahil sa PBSP, hindi ako nagkaroon ng ganitong interest sa farming.
Malaking bagay na nakapasok yung RAP sa buhay ng Umroy, kaya nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataong mabigyan ng kabuhayan yung aming kababaihan.
Umroy is one of the 73 women's rights organizations and networks assisted during the 5-year implementation of the Women's Rights Action and Advocacy Project.
2 project po yung nakuha namin sa RAP. Nakapagtapos kami ng mga kababaihan sa dressmaking and massage. At after that, para mag-sustain siya, nadagdagan po yung aming bayong making. Para ma-finish mo yung projects, so kailangan meron siyang pagpapaunlad talaga sa kamulatan ng kababaihan. Sa 3 project na yun, meron siyang batayang karapatan ng kababaihan, training sa basic rights, kabuang history ng kababaihan. Nung dumating ang RAP sa buhay namin, mas natapos namin 6 months. Tuloy-tuloy na nag-aaral yung mga tao. Masaya kami dito dahil kahit ganito lang, nag-put up kami ng maliit na business, pero nandoon na sustain namin yung family na mula doon sa tulong ng RAP.
Some of the Umroy members now have established their own massage and bayong-making businesses. Many were hired abroad as massage therapists, and some work as seamstresses in their own tailoring shop.
We at PBSP would like to express our gratitude for your continued support during this 5-year RAP journey.
RAP has directly reached more than 45,000 women and girls through a wide range of services and advocacy initiatives. Its project conclusion in 2025 is not the end, but a start of a better life for women, men, and children, united and empowered.
A vision of a Philippines where every woman can live with dignity, opportunity, and freedom is what drives us forward. So damo gid nga salamat, and may the spirit of this project continue to inspire you as champions of the rights of every woman in the community. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po sa pagtulong.
Thank you for your support in RITM.
Inihiling po namin na magtuloy po ito at maabot yung mas malawak na kababaihan.
Simula pa nung una, nung 4 months pa lang yung baby ko sa tiyan ko, kayo na po yung nag-provide sa akin, nagturo sa akin kung paano.
Salamat na lang pinagpala po kami na kami po ay napili.
Napakalaking progreso po para sa amin ang maging bahagi po ng isang napakamakabuluhang proyekto.
Maraming salamat, PBSP. Sana hindi hanggang dito na lang tayo magsasama. Gusto namin mga farmers na habang buhay magka-partners pa rin tayo. Kung mawala man kayo, masabi ko lang, I will miss you.
As we move towards the next fiscal year, PBSP will continue its mission as the largest network of businesses amplifying social impact. Together, we are stronger. Kasali ka. Kasali ako.